What is up, guys? I just got back from school 4 minutes ago, and today we're gonna be playing some, I don't know, Pokemon Ultra legendz Project Rising. I'm gonna play this first. So basically, I just put gel in my hair. And how I do my hair usually when I go to school. If any of you are watching this from my school, I just put I use American Crew hair gel. It is a firm holding style gel. It is so good. I already used some today. You can see how much I used. I'm about to hear now. My thumbs. I just tried. So I have Taco GX. This would think focus. But I had others. Yeah, boy. Yo, I have 16 Pokemon, as you guys can tell. And yeah, it's terrible. That was so amazing. You guys should get it if you're fan. You guys can look at my Pokemon if you want. I know I'm weak. I was so bored when I got that. I got those. Because level 27! Yeah! And I wanted to see the new pack bubble being by Furry type. Okay. Oh, look at my Pokemon team. Got Diggersby, Talonflame. I found a Talonflame. I finally got a Talonflame. Yeah, boy! I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah, boy! I knew it would do that. I failed. No. Listen to the music. Wow. I'm finding the charger. Jeez. Fort knuckle chicken sandwich. Nope. Jeez. I had a fall. There. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Beep, 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 beep. You got me messed up, Jake. You're so fat, Jake. It's a little problem. Means Pokemon's for Jake because he's fat. You guys can tell the Volcrona is on level 1, but you guys can't see it because of my face. Yeah, boy. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. 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 Cradled. That's so stupid. That's so stupid. Love it. Love it us. Let's love the us. Look at the cows. Because it's on level 30 ups. Yeah, boy. It's on level 30 ups. Jake, you. Yeah, excuse me. We're dead. You don't learn much. The reason why is because I skipped every single trainer. So yeah. How is that really fun? Skipping trainers, then fighting, and then just saving your Pokemon alive. Hey! I'm gonna do a giveaway for this smart looking Tapu Koko GX. All you gotta do, subscribe, turn on the notifications. And then, like this video. And then comment. I have more to do. See, look. I have a Tapu Koko GX. Wait. Here. Oh, it is another one. And also, here's another one. There's another one. And here's another one. And more. And here's another one. I have a lot. And oh, look at this big room. Boy. You guys can see. And my laptop. Yeah. At least I can lay them down like yeah. Yo. I hate how we do any every day. Think that is your badge. Yeah. You saw that? Huh? I remember the video. It's so cool. Please don't push me because I'm fat. Yeah, please. And the next video I'm gonna play Project Horizon. Yeah, please. Yeah. Boop bop. Oh crap. Steals with fire. Crap, I forgot to use my Pokemon. Use Dig. Dig. Use it. This is a big room studio. And you guys can tell I will look at this. But did you see this pole? No? Okay, that's disgusting anyway. Ooh, what would I be disgusting? I'm not disgusting. Oh. Don't go. Oh, I took off my sock. Whoopsie. And today, video, I'm gonna be playing some fun. And Bomboy, take me to Paliwa, sing the lunge one by one, yeah, the lunge one by one, Bomboy, take me to Paliwa, and the lunge one by one, You thought I was gonna fall? Boy! I'm not like that! Oh! I didn't get hurt. Alright, so this is the end of the video. Make sure you subscribe, post notifications,